Today, we will be upgrading the MS74-HB0 motherboard using NEMIX RAM server memory modules backed by unconditional lifetime replacement warranty. The MS74-HB0 motherboard is a high-performance enterprise-level motherboard. It has 16 slots, a maximum memory capacity of 4 terabytes when configured with high-performance NEMIX RAM server memory upgrades. The MS74-HB0 motherboard accepts NEMIX RAM DDR5 6400 ECC RDIMM, built specifically for Gigabyte applications. Available upgrades include configurations of 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 96 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB modules. Maximum memory of 4 terabytes can only be achieved using NEMIX RAM 256 GB memory modules. NEMIX RAM is a global leader in server memory upgrades for over 30 years, catering to Fortune 500, government, private businesses, and scholastic organizations. We are your IT infrastructure solutions partner specializing in manufacture direct Gigabyte memory upgrades. For more technical information or to place an order, call us at 800-662-7466 or follow the link below to place an order.